it's time to unbox an advent calendar, and we're kicking it off with a SHEGLAM one. One thing they know how to do right, it's beautiful packaging, so I'm really excited for this one. I haven't seen, SHEGLAM has released their 2025 advent calendar and it's called Sugar, Spice and Everything Glam, and I believe it's a 12-day advent. I haven't taken a sneak peek, so I wanted to do it exclusively for you guys, but the one feature on the front which I quite like is this little dial where you can literally count down to Christmas, and then it also attaches, so you can just have this if you wanted and then put this, I'm guessing, somewhere else. I'm just gonna stop talking and start opening. So if you know me, I love a sweet treat, so this whole theme, chef's kiss, love it. But let's find number one. Okay. Okay, wow, I thought it'd be like a mini. So kicking it off, day one, you've got a Pour No More primer, and it doesn't have ingredients on the back, but it'd be interesting to see if this is silicone or water, but I will do an actual reveal at the end. What I want to do is just kind of open, then dive into each product. Number two. Okay. I will say it's very awkward trying to get them out. Day number two, you've got, I'm guessing, yeah, a translucent setting powder. To be fair, I don't go for this enough, but I know a lot of people would actually appreciate that if you're a big girl. I'm just not. Number three. Oh, I've ripped it. That lasted long. I think it's a palette. So it's a neutrals palette, which is kind of cute. It has got a little shimmer in there, so I guess I will try that out and do a swatch later. Number four. I feel like I'm having flashbacks last year when I bought Mitchell's and couldn't even open the doors. We have, oh, okay, these are two eyeliners. Two kohl eyeliners, one's in like nude, and one in a brown, so swatches later. Day number five. Okay. Ah, okay. It is a Fall in Line Peel Off Lip Liner Stain. And it looks like on the bottom it might be a nice little red or nude. Oh, okay, wait. It's called Pinky Promise, but it does look like it's a nice brown tone, so I'm excited to try that. Day six. Oh, this is going all wrong. Oh, it's a chunky one. Doesn't say anywhere where it, oh. Locked In Glossy Shine Strong Styling Stick. Okay. To be fair, I'm notorious for having like flyaways here, so that might be good to try. Day seven. Okay, they're all together. This is making it easy. Oh, I've been excited to try these. Is it the blush? Wait. No, it's a liquid highlighter in Vanilla Frost. But I've been excited to try these because the applicators really excite me. And yeah, I feel like these are really pretty every time I see everyone else using them. I'm so excited to try, like, actually open these all. Day 8. This is quite a big one. I wonder what this is. It looks like it could be like brushes or a palette. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Okay. Wow. I don't even know if you can see that, but it's like a lip dazzler glitter, and it's like Glinda pink. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like, okay, a lip dazzler lip gloss, that applicator brush, and I'm guessing this is a lip liner as well. So that is so good. You get 4 products in day number 8, so you're getting more than 12 products. This is so good. Okay, day 9. Oh, is this different? Ooh. Okay, so my friend Heather has been like doing these little smushy pots videos for so long now, and I've been wanting to try these. This is in Guava Glow, but these are like this smushy lip product, and it's got the little brush. I'll show you after. But I'm so excited. 10. Oh my god, is this the blush? Am I actually right this time? Okay, yeah. We've got in Love Cake a Buttery Bliss blush stick. It's like a tongue twister. I'm really excited to open this and figure out what shade it is, but I'm going to preemptively say it's like a deep mauve shade. I hope. Day number 11. I'm actually destroying this packaging. Like, what? Whoopsies. Ooh, I love these. These are Crystal Jelly Glaze Sticks, and this is in a Bronze Dust, so I'm expecting like a Made by Mitchell Bubble Trouble shade, but these are really gorgeous because they're like the glitter sticks for your eyes, and I use these all the time. I've got so many different brands. I don't know whether or not to be disappointed that day 12 is tiny. Oh, okay. There goes the packaging. So we've got another blush, and this one is Candy Apple Colour Bloom Liquid Blush. Wait, am I being dumb? Is this a blush as well? I don't think it is. But either way, we've got this, and this is looking like, I'm guessing because it's Candy Apple, it's going to be like a red blush, which is quite Christmassy, so that's exciting. Let me sort out everything and I'll be back to give all the swatches. Okay, so the entire advent calendar is currently in this basket. Obviously it retailed for about £67.49, I believe, and I've just done the maths, and this entire advent calendar comes to £74.12, with the hair styler being the most expensive item, but in total you only get, I think it's about £6 difference, so you are still making a profit, but is it worth it? That's what I want to know. Kicking it off was the primer. This is fragrance free, it is gluten free, alcohol free, vegan, talc free, basically free from everything. Immediately, I'm not a massive lover of poreless primers as it is, but this does feel very smooth and soft. However, I can see it kind of peeling a little bit on my hand as it is, like when I'm rubbing it in. Let's try and do this before it dies again. I've already swatched the highlighter. Wow, that's so pigmented. So I've already swatched the highlighter, I think that's Vanilla Frost, and then this is the blush in Love Cake. I thought this would be a mauve shade, but it's actually quite a gorgeous pink. Let's see what shade this is. Oh, I forgot it does that. Wow. That is such a scary red. It's quite a glossy satin finish, so that's an interesting one. Let's open up this. I found out when I was looking up prices that this is actually a lip jam, so I was right originally. Oh, that's a gorgeous mauve shade. I love this as well. I feel like I'm gonna just do a gentle amount. Let's have a swatch here. That's quite a nice shade. How do you do this? Do you just put it back in or do you wipe it? Don't know how to do that. But that, I feel like I could get good use of that one. Next we have the lip stain. I feel like with these you can never tell what shade they're going to be until you actually try it. So I'm just going to pop a bit on my hand. And I'm really hoping this comes off easily because I might regret that tomorrow when I just have a stain on my hand. But whilst I let that dry, I'm going to go for the bronzed, bronze dust glitter, what, you know what I mean. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite a nice deep shade. Oh my god, that's like butter. That felt wet, like pigment, hello? That's insane. That with the palette will be beautiful. And the eyeliners. I'm liking how they're all cohesive, like there is an eye story and then there's a lip story, like it's not just mix and match. Okay, after we had such a good example with that eye stick, I'm hoping this is good. I'm going to go in with the glitter first because I feel like that is when you can see it's a very creamy glitter. It's bright, I'll give it that, but I don't know if it'll be Oh, okay. It's there. I feel like it does what it does. I wish it was a bit more pigmented. That, however, okay, I'm pretty sure this is like a £5 palette. That's not awful. I've had some more expensive ones that are even worse than that. What I'm really intrigued about is this styling stick. Focus. It won't focus. Oh. Oh, it's very waxy. Obviously I get that it's meant to be a wax styling stick, however, that feels like it's just going to make your hair feel very... I don't even know. I'll give it a try. I'm not just going to shoot it down straight away, but it's not, I don't feel like it's my favourite texture. I finally got the thing to peel off. And look at that shade. That lip stain is incredible. Like, I'm going to do a wear test of that, I think, for a TikTok video, because that looks like it's going to be a very nice stain. And it could be a good alternative for the Wonder Skin. Overall, I think that's pretty much everything that I have swatched. Everything is all over my desk now. I do think it is quite a cute advent calendar if you're getting it for like a gift, but it's not for like the beauty lovers that like the high-end stuff. Really appreciative of SHEGLAM to have sent it to me. I obviously will be using these products. I'm going to do a full face. Let me know if you want to see that. It will most likely be on my TikTok. There's a lot more content to come. I've got more advent unboxings to come. I've got some vlog ideas. I've got some vlogmas ideas as well. I don't know what I'm actually doing for Christmas month, but I'm going to try and do some videos as well, so keep an eye out for that. As all the YouTubers say, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I might do questions at the end of each video from now on. So ask me a question and I might answer it. All my other socials will be in the description below, and thank you if you've made it this far. So yeah,